This my partner Camaro. He came dropped it out for the oil change and inspection. He told me to big dog, hear that motor? He told me to run this shit. But I said, nah man, this ain't my shit to be acting up. I wanna do a burnout, a donut. I wanna do all kind of shit in this Camaro. But it ain't my Camaro to be doing all that shit in. Boy, y'all get y'all asses out the way, boy. But I'm gonna power break this hoe though. I'm gonna do my partner shit, man. Let me run y'all through it real quick. It's a Camaro. It ain't the body style I like, but I like it because he got a V8 in this motherfucker. He got all this Punisher shit on it, but it came like that, so. And he got the real V8, you know what I'm talking about? Ain't no little boy shit. What that say right there? What that say? 2012 joint, 6.2 liters. Speaking of, ooh. Man, I was gonna ask y'all to grab me a sweet, man. Y'all ain't got no sweet in here? You want one? You can loan your boy, loan me a sweet or something. God damn.
What's up, cameraman?
Go on, say your information, both of y'all.
I'm on this motherfucker eating.
I ain't had time to do shit, fool. We been busy in the biz, nigga. I got the owner right there. I was just talking about you, boy.
So with it, y'all.
What's your what year is this?
Y'all see the 2012
Yeah.
SS?
Yeah.
It's your boy King Polobeatz. I'm in this bitch.
What's your Instagram?
King Polobeatz. Just Google me.
Just
King
Googling me,
with
said.
a Z, not
With
a
a
S.
Z, not a S. Man, you gonna have to go ahead and hit it one time for it. I couldn't do shit. When you leave out, go on here, hit it one time.
You already got the keys?
Yeah, keys in it, everything in it.
I appreciate it.
Y'all hear that?
That's the camera you got though?
Yeah, it's the little
I seen one of them using the same one.
GoPro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make your video tonight.
Okay.
It's just gonna be something quick, just that little, you know. I ain't had time to do
You gonna
shit.
post it?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna chop it up. Y'all going back to the phone? Yeah. The back way you came. Close your door. Oh, your door closed? Alright. Go on, hit it, nigga. That nigga scared of it. I see you, boy. Yeah, man. That's my partner. Polobeatz. Go follow him. Shit, I think it's, yeah, Polobeatz with a Z, goddamn me. Shit, y'all stay tuned.